Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video. Today, we're showcasing 30 new genius woodworking tools that are absolutely insane. From smart designs to time-saving innovations, these tools will transform your workflow and boost precision. Whether you're a pro or DIY enthusiast, you're about to discover must-have gear you didn't know you needed. Let's dive in. Parallel Arm Scroll Saw, the Wayne Variable Speed. Parallel Arm Scroll Saw, LL2 156 21-inch model, is a powerful precision woodworking tool built for detailed cutting tasks. Its parallel arm design reduces vibration and keeps the blade stable, improving accuracy and control. With a variable speed range of 550 to 1,600 strokes per minute, it adapts easily to different materials. The 21-inch throat capacity handles larger projects, while the tilting steel table supports bevel cuts. Tool-free blade changes, dust management, and a material hold-down clamp make it efficient, smooth, and ideal for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers seeking clean, intricate results. Workhorse Sawhorses. The Bora Workhorse Sawhorses are rugged, all-steel supports built for fast setup and dependable job site performance. Designed as a budget-friendly alternative to the Speed Horse line, they offer impressive strength and stability. With capacities up to 1,350 pounds, quick latch deployment, and compact folding legs, they're highly portable. The X and XT models add 2x4 brackets and extra features, making them ideal for creating a sturdy, versatile workstation anywhere. Smart Push Block. The Microjig Grr-Rip-Block. Smart Push Block is a must-have safety tool for jointers, router tables, and bandsaws. Its high-friction green rubber pads provide superior grip, while the Smart Heel technology prevents kickback by securing the workpiece. The ergonomic handle ensures controlled pressure, improving accuracy and safety. With its modular design and versatile applications, it's a major upgrade over basic push sticks and a reliable addition to any woodworking setup. Ski Snowboard Vises. Hikeen ski snowboard vises are reliable, heavy-duty tuning tools built for secure waxing, sharpening, and maintenance. Their multi-angle design lets you position skis or snowboards horizontally, vertically, or tilted for precise work. Made from durable aluminum, they include soft rubber padding to protect surfaces and integrated magnets for tool storage. The adjustable clamps fit various sizes and attach easily to most workbenches, making them a practical, budget-friendly choice for home workshops and DIY enthusiasts. Parallel Clamps. Rockler parallel clamps are heavy-duty woodworking tools built to deliver even, consistent pressure across wide panels without bowing or lifting. Perfect for edge gluing, cabinet doors, and casework, they provide up to 1,000 pounds of clamping force. Large parallel jaws ensure precise alignment, while non-marring pads protect surfaces. The ergonomic handle improves control, and the stable base lets the clamp stand upright. With multiple sizes and spreader capability, they're versatile, reliable, and workshop essential. Saddle Square. The AKNgoes Woodworking Folding. Saddle Square is a versatile precision tool designed for accurate layout work on wood projects. Its wraparound design allows users to mark both faces and edges in one step, ensuring perfect alignment for joinery. The zero wiggle hinge maintains stability while offering smooth adjustments at multiple angles. Built from durable aluminum or stainless steel, it's lightweight and portable. Ideal for marking tenons, splines, and setups, it delivers reliable performance at a budget-friendly price.
Woodpecker's SF Pro Router Table Fence. The Woodpecker's SF Pro Router Table Fence is a high-precision upgrade built for serious woodworking accuracy. Designed for detailed joinery, cabinetry, and furniture work, it features 3-way micro-adjustments with 0.001-inch graduations for exact positioning. The universal design fits most router tables and allows tool-free adjustments. Built from solid phenolic with a low-friction surface, it supports jointing, shaping, and repeatable cuts with exceptional stability, smooth motion, and reliable dust collection. Lee Valley Veritas Pocket Layout Squares. The Lee Valley Veritas Pocket Layout Squares are compact, ultra-precise tools made for fine joinery and tight workshop spaces. Machined from solid aluminum with a matte black anodized finish, they feature crisp, laser-etched markings on both sides for easy visibility. The offset base allows quick, accurate mortise layout on common stock sizes, while relieved corners ensure perfect seating. Built-in protractor scales make angle marking fast and reliable. Axminster Wood Turning Tool Rest System. The Axminster Evolution. Wood Turning Tool Rest System is a premium modular solution built for precision and flexibility. Its mix and match design lets turners swap rest bars and posts to suit different lathes and projects. CNC machined stainless steel bars resist rust and damage, while the polished round profile ensures smooth tool glide with minimal chatter. Multiple lengths, bowl shapes, post sizes, and smart accessories make it ideal for accurate, vibration-free wood turning. Doberman Sliding Miter Saw. As of 2026, the Doberman Sliding Miter Saw lineup includes the 10-inch DMS 01A and 12-inch DMS 03A, built for precise, multi-material cutting. Both models feature powerful 15-amp motors, smooth sliding rails, laser guides, and strong safety features. The DMS 01A excels with dual speed control for wood and metal, while the DMS 03A adds dual bevel cutting and extended capacity for complex compound cuts and larger workpieces. Woodpecker's Clampzilla. The Woodpecker's Clampzilla 3.0 is a heavy-duty, 4-way panel clamp that replaces multiple bar clamps with a single versatile tool. Its self-centering scissors joint delivers nearly double the vertical clamping pressure while keeping panels perfectly aligned. A single Acme threaded screw controls all forces, generating over 6,500 pounds of pressure. Machined in the USA, it handles stock from 5/8 inch to 4 inches thick, comes in 18-inch, 38-inch, and 50-inch sizes, and offers modular upgrades, a junior version, retrofit kits, and a specialized clamp racket storage solution. Woodpecker's Stair Tread and Shelf Gauge. The Woodpecker's Stair Tread and Shelf Gauge is a precision layout tool for perfect fitting panels between walls, including stair treads, risers, and built-in shelving. Its pivoting ends and adjustable bevels instantly create one-to-one templates, compensating for out-of-square walls. Modular aluminum construction measures openings from 17 inches to 64 inches, with flip stops for consistent edge reference. Ideal for stair renovations, cabinetry, and trapped panel installations, it ensures accuracy, saves time, and eliminates guesswork in professional or DIY woodworking projects. Hikeen Cordless Biscuit Joiner. The Hikeen Cordless Biscuit Joiner Model FPCAG001, is a compact high-speed tool perfect for furniture assembly and cabinetry. Compatible with Makita 18-volt LXT batteries, it delivers 11,000 RPM for clean, fast cuts in softwood, hardwood and plywood. With 6 adjustable depths, angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and a precision fence system, it ensures consistent slots. Lightweight at 6.85 pounds, it features an ergonomic handle, metal base and dust bag. The kit includes 80 biscuits and a dust bag. Batteries sold separately. PEC Tools Combination Square Set. The PEC Tools Combination Square Set is a high-precision measuring and layout system made in the USA, ideal for woodworking and machining. Available as 2-piece or 4-piece sets, it includes a hardened steel machinist's blade, square mitre head with bubble level and scriber, protractor head and centre head, with plus or minus 0.004 inches accuracy, multiple graduations, durable finishes, and versatile functions like squaring, marking, and levelling. This set ensures precise measurements, smooth operation, and long-lasting reliability for any workshop. Ally Tools Wing Divider. The Ally Tools Wing Divider is a versatile, professional-grade tool for woodworking, metalworking, leathercraft, and drafting. Made from durable high-carbon steel, it features hardened needlepoint tips for precise scribing and an integrated pencil holder for drawing large circles. The lockable wing allows repeatable measurements between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Available in 8 and 12-inch models, it handles circles up to 31 inches. Each kit includes the divider, pencils, and a metal sharpener, making it perfect for accurate layouts and creative projects. Pony 4-pack corner clamp. The Pony 4-pack quick release. Corner clamp set is a lightweight spring-loaded solution for fast, accurate right-angle joints in DIY and light woodworking projects. With one-handed operation, adjustable jaws, 3/16 inch to 7/8 inch, and 14 pounds of constant clamping force, it holds boards securely without marring surfaces. Ideal for picture frames, boxes or shelves, this durable nylon set supports variable thicknesses and multiple joint types, making small projects easier, faster, and precise. Not for heavy-duty furniture use. Johnson Level Mach 1 Square. The Johnson Johnny Square registered Mach 1 is a professional 7 and 1/4 inch rafter square introduced in 2025, designed for precision and speed in framing. Its Smart Mark cutout system lets users mark standard lumber sizes from 1 inch to 6 inches and LVLs accurately, while scribe notches spaced every 1/8 inch aid ripping and layout. Built from CNC machined aluminum with an integrated level and easy read markings, it includes standard angle slots, roof pitch V notches, and a 1-inch heel for versatile, professional woodworking and construction use. Railer Keychain Bit Holder. The Railer Keychain Bit Holder is a compact high durability storage system for 1/4 inch hex shank tools, perfect for professional demolition and high altitude work. Its pullback collar prevents accidental bit ejection, while push to connect and ball detent locking allow quick, secure, one-handed loading. Made from aluminum or stainless steel with knurled grips, it doubles as an emergency nut driver. Lightweight color-coded sets attach via carabiner, making bit organization, portability, and accessibility effortless for any job site. Milescraft Trim Carpentry Aid. The Milescraft Trim 45 Trim Carpentry Aid, Model 8401, is a versatile tool for precise door and window trim installation. Its adjustable reveal slide, 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, ensures consistent measurements, while the 45-degree mitre and 90-degree square heads simplify cutting and alignment. Dual tape measure slots with magnets enable solo measuring, and built-in stick pins and clamp pads support accurate marking and securing. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's lightweight, compact, and perfect for accurate, efficient trim work in 2026. Rockler Drawer. Front installation clamps. The Rockler Drawer. Front installation clamps, item number 54804, make aligning and securing false drawer fronts effortless. With dual action micro adjusters, locking nuts, and a check while clamped design, they ensure precise, repeatable positioning. Nylon capped pads protect finishes, while large knobs allow simple operation. Compatible with undermount slides, these heavy-duty steel clamps fit drawers up to 1 1/8 inch thick and are sold as a left-right pair, making them essential for accurate professional-looking cabinet and drawer installations. Banggood Enjoywood Table Saw. The Banggood Enjoywood Table Saw. Accessories lineup focuses on precision upgrades rather than full table saw machines. Enjoywood offers high-quality mitre gauges, joinery and coping sleds, advanced safety feed systems, and versatile profile fence add-ons. Built from durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel, these tools enhance accuracy, stability, and safety. Designed for serious hobbyists and detail-focused woodworkers, Enjoywood accessories deliver professional-level control and reliability at an accessible price point. Jessam Clearcut TS Stock Guides. The Jessam Clearcut TS Stock Guides are premium table saw accessories that replace traditional featherboards to improve safety, accuracy, and feed control. Angled rollers apply constant downward and inward pressure, keeping stock tight to the fence while reducing vibration. One-way bearings instantly resist kickback, while non-marring urethane tyres ensure smooth traction. Built from CNC machined aluminum with tool-free adjustments. These guides deliver cleaner cuts, safer operation, and efficient workflow for serious woodworkers. Fulton Cabinet Scraper Burnisher. The Fulton Cabinet Scraper Burnisher is a classic high-leverage tool designed to properly sharpen and turn the burr on card scrapers. It features a hardened, polished high-carbon steel rod that easily rolls a clean, consistent hook without slipping. The comfortable hardwood handle provides excellent control and pressure. Ideal for flattening old burrs and creating new ones, it works smoothly on flat, curved, and beveled scrapers for fine surface finishing. Hilti Neuron Reciprocating Saw. As of 2026, Hilti's Neuron platform includes 2 cordless reciprocating saws built for different job demands. The SR622 is a heavy-duty demolition saw offering a 32mm stroke, 2600 SPM, active vibration reduction, dust extraction compatibility, and job site safety features. The compact SR422 is designed for one-handed use, delivering 3000 SPM with excellent balance for tight or overhead cuts. Both run on Hilti's 22-volt Neuron system with cloud-connected tracking and tether-ready safety. Kreg KDR-V-FLIP Quick Flip. The Kreg KDR-V-FLIP Quick Flip is a versatile dual-action joinery tool for advanced woodworking tasks like false drawer fronts or corner face joins. Its two-sided design lets you drill a pilot hole with a 3/8 inch flat bottom counterbore on one side and drive Kreg screws with the number 2 square bit on the other. Adjustable depth, impact rating, and a quick change 1/4 inch hex shank enhance compatibility. Built with durable metal and an ergonomic grip, it ensures precision, efficiency, and professional level performance. Kreg Mortismate Loose Tenon Jig. The Kreg Mortismate Loose Tenon Jig KLTJ 100, released in late 2024 and widely available in 2026, is a drill-powered system for creating precise mortises without a router. Featuring an auto-indexing step-down mechanism, micro-adjustment screws, and an integrated work surface, it ensures consistent, accurate joints. Compatible with Kreg hardwood tenons, carbide-tipped cutters, and standard drills, its durable metal construction and dust collection port make it a versatile, affordable alternative to high-end loose tenon systems like the Festool Domino. G-Laxia Mini Circular Saw. As of 2026, G-Laxia offers a range of compact mini circular saws in both corded and cordless versions, designed for precise, one-handed cutting in wood, soft metal, plastic, and tile. The 20-volt cordless model, GA97630, features a 3,400 RPM copper motor, laser and rip guides, and a 4.6-pound ergonomic design. Corded models offer consistent power with adjustable depth, bevel, and dust management, making GLAXIA mini saws versatile, portable, and beginner-friendly tools for DIY and professional projects alike.